Hi, my name is Charles Bell, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, let me ask you a question. Are you an online marketer who desperately wants to make money fast? Well, if the answer is yes, then you'll want to listen real close to what I'm about to say. Because I'm going to show you how you too can start receiving $1,000 commissions in as little as just a few hours. You've made it at the right place at the right time. You're one of the first to learn about this marketing breakthrough that will allow you to start receiving $1,000 commissions in just as little as a few short hours. That is, if you follow our proven system. Now, if you can't follow directions, then you probably need to just go off this video and go on to the next offer, because this is not for you. And if you're serious, you can launch a real business in under 60 minutes. In this online training, you'll be given a live demo of this major marketing breakthrough that launches your online business in right around 60 minutes. Now, we finally cracked the code so that ordinary people could begin generating thousands in commissions in just a few short hours. This is not MLM or anything close. This is internet marketing, and it's designed for online entrepreneurs who are serious about starting an online business and finally making real money. Imagine receiving $1,000 commissions daily. Doesn't that feel great? So to get started making money online, you need a strategy. Our strategy is so new and different that to properly make money, all you need is a willingness to break away from the current internet marketing methods that you are using. And you need to embark on a new path that leads you away from wasted time and towards profit. But there are a few things you don't need. You don't need to know anything about internet marketing to make money from this, because this system is designed so that even a 9-year-old can use it. And because our methods run counter to the mainstream marketing methods the so-called internet marketing gurus are teaching, the newer you are to the game, the better you'll likely do. You don't need to have prior success or even been profiting before online. In fact, our system will get you making money quickly and easily without you having to learn a single thing about all those washed out methods that don't work and all those other usual headaches that go along with it. You can get started within 60 minutes using our methods that work for anyone. And because you're going to be walked through step by step, there's no excuse not to make money. You can make money part-time in only a few minutes each day. Once you're up to speed, the entire process will take as little as 20 minutes per day. Now look, you don't want to wait on this, and you have nothing to lose. So what you need to do is click the link in the description below so that you too can start receiving $1,000 commissions in as little as just a few short hours. So go ahead, click on the link in the description below. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Again, my name is Charles Bell, and I will see you on the very next page. Go ahead and do it now. Click the link in the description below so you too can start receiving $1,000 commissions in as little as just a few hours. I'll see you on the other page.